Ta-da! Okay.
Wow. It's a threefer.
Go Gadget.
Multiple.
Oh, it's got blades.
Choppy.
Wait, maybe it slices tomatoes? Like, no, it doesn't fit.
So you got some blades.
Look,
Here,
so this
wait,
has.
you
Ooh,
ready?
ooh, ooh, ooh. No, it doesn't fit in there. Oh my!
I don't think so.
Try the marshmallow.
Who's going to slice up their marshmallows?
Let's put crackers in there. There you go.
It's like it's like a cookie topping
You're
for
terrible at
Sundays.
All these kitchen gadgets are very violent.
That looks like it's kind of Sharpie. Maybe you gotta, wait. Now try it.
You're onto it. This is it. This has to be it.
It's a Spiralizer.
Making vegettis,
Vegettis?
zoodles.
Uh-huh. It's a zoodler.
You can make a mustache with it. You like my locks?
Lovely.
This is definitely a peanut cracker.
Here, this could be like a nutcracker. Look at that.
Wait, but it's a strawberry.
Yeah.
Peanut.
All right, so this is like a strawberry. So clearly it's four I think it goes like that. Oh, look, wait a minute. That's it.
Ooh.
I'm so
Genius.
excited.
It's a hauler.
There you
Oh. Ooh.
Muy bien.
I like this.
Yep.
I want this.
Look at that, and now it's just perfect.
Strawberry quarter.
It's a quarter for strawberries. Now they're ready to eat.
So this guy is for your butter.
Let's
But
go
there's
with
gotta
that.
be
Here.
more. Like,
I'm
it's
gonna-
gotta
all right,
do more.
I got it.
Well, what's this for?
Maybe this has something to do with buttering your corn?
Oh, get out of here.
Wait, but there's
Oh.
more. There's always more.
It's a banana. Oh, it's a banana holder.
No.
It has to be butter. It doesn't make any sense.
Oh, look. Maybe this is working.
I feel like that's gonna get.
Is really throwing me off this divot.
This chair. Can I get a better chair?
Oh, it's a Newton holder. Look at that.
He doesn't cook.
What does this hole do?
Oh, wait, there's measuring on here.
No.
Half a cup. An ounce.
You do know it.
A tablespoon. A
It
teaspoon.
matches your shirt.
2 tablespoons, and then you go like this.
It's like,
It's upside
it's like a
down.
little garage.
There you go.
Like
Whoa.
a slice of butter.
Multi-purpose
That's cool.
for all your butter needs.
Just cut. And it's silicone, so it doesn't ruin. What camera am I looking at?
What does this do?
It's a puppet. Hello! Hello, kids!
G'day, Mike.
There's stuff leaking from this one. It's,
You gotta put something in there and then jam it.
Oh, wait. Is it for this? Does it suck out pits? Pop it in there. Look at that. I think we're onto something here.
Ready?
That's not right.
I feel like you're about to launch that cherry.
like a.
Looks like could be like a food shooter for a food fight
So
or
there's
something.
pits in these, right?
I don't want to put the cherry in because I'm scared that it's just gonna explode.
Now what? There it is.
There we go.
It's now pitless.
But the stem is still on it, so I don't.
Well,
Cherry pit.
color me
It's a-
surprised. That's awesome.
It is a pitter.
It's a pit extractor.
There you go. Look, no, I did get it. See?
Oh, all right.
That's definitely a cherry.
I like it.
Is that? Did I get it?
It's
You
a
got it?
cherry pitter.